Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on a Dell 22 monitor. If you're having any kind of issues with the monitor, like it's bugging or it's failing to connect or failing to detect a computer or a signal or anything like that, a lot of times, or just if you have all of the settings just all kind of messed up and you don't know what to do, you can just kind of get a fresh start by going back to a factory reset, which will clear everything out to the default settings. And it's real easy to do. All you need to do is open the settings menu on the monitor. And from the settings menu, you can toggle all the way down to others as shown here. And then from others, you can just toggle over to the right. And on the right, you can go all the way down and you can find factory reset. So you'll hit the factory reset button. It'll ask you to confirm. And once you confirm, the monitor will turn off. And the next time it's turned on, it will be turned on the same as it was the first day when it was taken out of the box.